Hey friends! Tonight might just change the course of your life, and I promise, what you're about to hear could finally bring the clarity you've been searching for. Ever had a question, a worry, or a decision that just won't leave you alone? You ask people for advice, read books, scroll endlessly online. And somehow, the more you search, the more tangled your mind feels. Just picture this for a second. What if the answer you've been looking for could come directly to you in your dreams? What if, right before sleep, you quietly spoke a few heartfelt words? And as you drift off, your soul connects with the universe, giving you the answer clearly, like a gentle whisper, a vivid scene, or a soft guiding light from the divine? This isn't imagination. This isn't just a story. It's the timeless secret that Paramahansa Yogananda shared again and again. Tonight, we're going to dive into exactly that. How to get ready before bed so divine answers appear in your dreams. But before we go deeper, if you want divine guidance in your life, if you want to understand the mysteries of the soul and God, subscribe to our channel, Divya Antar, and hit the bell icon. Each video is made to guide you further on your spiritual journey. And who knows, tonight might just bring the answer you've been waiting for. Think about how often we get so stuck on a question that the answer never comes while we're awake. Yet when we sleep, when the mind finally rests, suddenly the answer shows up. Through a vision, a sound, a feeling, or even a dream scenario. Dreams aren't random images or meaningless scenes. They're a sacred conversation between your soul and the universe. Yogananda said, "Dreams are the windows of our consciousness. When this window opens, the soul perceives truth. When the soul perceives truth, the answer appears in your dreams. Sometimes it's a familiar face, sometimes a gentle voice, sometimes a simple scene. Ordinary on the surface, yet filled with deep meaning. Let's explore the mystery of sleep and the soul. Every night, when we sleep, the body rests, yes, but the soul? The soul never rests. It journeys. Think about all the fatigue, stress, thoughts, and desires of your day. All the tension, overthinking, little worries, they tie up your mind. In waking life, we often feel trapped in these thoughts. But as soon as sleep comes, those bonds loosen. The soul rises above the cage of daily worries and reaches toward higher realms. Here's the secret. The state of your mind before sleep shapes the path your soul takes. Sleep in anger or anxiety, and your soul drifts among restless energies. Sleep in peace and prayer, and your soul is drawn toward divine light and guidance. That's why Yogananda emphasized, purify your thoughts before sleep. So, how do we prepare for dreams that bring answers? Yogananda taught 4 steps. 1. Calm the body. Before lying down, take 3 deep, slow breaths. Feel all the tension leaving your body with each exhale. Imagine stress melting away like ice under the sun. 2. Steady the mind. Close your eyes and gently say, Divine Presence, I dedicate this night to you. My mind is calm, my heart is open. Feel your thoughts settling, like leaves floating gently on water. 3. Ask your question. Speak clearly the answer you seek. Example. Divine Presence, is this the right path for me? Feel the sincerity in your heart as you ask. 4. Express gratitude. Before sleep, say, Thank you, Divine Presence. I trust that tonight, you will answer me in my dreams. Gratitude opens the soul and invites clarity. Practice these steps nightly, and over time, your dreams will start delivering divine guidance. Now, the most powerful part, prayer. Before sleep, slowly recite, Infinite Soul, I come to you tonight. Please answer my questions through my dreams. Reveal truth to my mind. Illuminate my path. Then, quietly repeat in your heart, Divine Presence, guide me tonight. As sleep comes, these words gently sink into your subconscious, planting seeds of insight. Yogananda experienced this himself many times. Once, facing a critical decision, he prayed, Divine Presence, show me the way. That night, his guru, Sri Yukteswar, appeared in a dream, smiling, and said, "Remember, God will never leave you alone." When he woke up, all doubt vanished. This same guidance is available to each of us. Think about your own life. Which career should I choose? Which relationship deserves my energy? Which decision is truly right? Simply hand your question to the divine before sleep. Release worry, relax, and let your soul receive guidance. Gradually, in dreams, or even upon waking, you'll notice signs. It may appear as a person's face, a word, a symbol, a vision. Something that resonates deeply with your heart. Start tonight. Lie down, take 10 deep, calming breaths. Say gently, "I am a child of God. I am safe. I am calm." Speak your question clearly, with intention. Smile and say, "Thank you, Divine Presence. You will answer me in my dreams." Then, let sleep arrive naturally. Repeat this mindful prayer. Divine Presence, as I close my eyes tonight, fill my soul with your light. Answer my questions. Fill my dreams with divine messages. Reveal truth to me. Guide me gently on my path. I am yours, only yours. Friends, tonight, as you lay down, follow this practice. Dreams aren't just imagination. They're sacred messages from the soul to the divine. Paramahansa Yogananda's message is timeless. God is always speaking, we just need to open our hearts. If this practice touched your heart, share it with someone who could benefit from this guidance tonight. And subscribe to Divya Antar, because every video will take you deeper into your inner journey. Thank you, and good night. May your dreams be filled with divine guidance, clarity, and answers.